Hello, my magical readers and all my lovely creatives. Going to tell you a bit about myself first, and then next Wednesday I will do a short video on strong verbs and getting rid of adverbs. It only weakens your writing. I am Jacqueline L. Landry. I'm the author of Over the River, Through the Woods, now available on Kindle Unlimited on Amazon. 5-star rating. It is a romantic suspense. The most common thing that people say about it is it is a roller coaster ride. That's just how I write. I can't help myself. I'm 61 years old. I am that crone. And I have been in the Navy. I have been a death investigator with the coroner's office in Champaign County, Illinois. And I am a retired journalist of 26 years, magazines, newspapers, and Reuters Wire Service Manila Bureau. I love cats. You can see God Emperor Curzon Dax over my shoulder. And I am enslaved by 3. Shikmi Sharake. They are my sun and stars. For you non-Game of Thrones fans, don't worry about it. I am currently working on getting ready my querying for my second novel, The Ouderkerk House. Ouderkerk is the Dutch word for by the old church. It is a haunted rectory, and a forensic psychic medium who is helping the FBI track a serial killer named Knife and Hatchet Man stumbles across 26 graves of murdered children. Then she's called in to investigate the Ouderkerk House, the haunted rectory. And things take off like a roller coaster from there. I am a member of the National Writers Union, so I am in solidarity with the WGA strike. So I can't. This is September, which is also called Rejectember. I can't submit until the strike has been hopefully equitably resolved. My favorite author is Stephen King, James Lee Burke, Anne Rice, Dean Koontz, and Anya Ahlborn. I also like, he's one of my comps in my query letter, Brandon McNulty's Entry Wounds. If you haven't read it, Run, Don't Walk. I got the audiobook from the library, but I was able to leave a 5-star review for that really, really nice novel. I am heavily influenced by Natalie Goldberg's writing on writing. On Writing by Stephen King is perhaps the best, sorry, Saul Stein, writing text out there. It's part memoir, part how to not suck at writing. These videos that I'm recording, sorry about the cat, God Emperor Curzon. These videos that I'm recording, this one's going to be the longest one, are for writers, authors, aspiring writers. It is just like a post-it note of things you should do and things that you should probably avoid if you want to get published. So, see you soon, my lovelies, with writing advice. Oh my God. Okay, that's Curzon's face. Excuse me. Good night. Happy Wednesday, everyone. Hope your writing went well today and you got a few thousand words on the page. Good night.